Yes, level no papa why everywhere. Come why you
who say this guy yet COVID na twam nso still yet COVID tax ye ntiase ntia ye
ubedi bet na ebeti tax no de
ebusia obeka say aha na eboss so say micha Ghana na eboss so say Ghana ye de ama ye mabunu no ene timamufo na bimani agije say so me de edi enti na omugbo se ni nyina agina say eye finance minister dia betu dwa say eye betting tax any 11 no almost scrapey just almost sweepy just almost yefro kwa just almost twakode kwa no na Ghana for ni say just say de ye hwehwa ana yensa akai
no so yatwam na ye ebe boaye say a ukoye transaction scan no eso beti uto credit ewo u phone so kwa yeti Levy who say this guy yeti COVID na twam nso still yeti COVID tax ye ntiase ntia ye
So Ecclesiastes chapter 5 from verse 1. Or see, and shabo ama wunye, but mama was shabo ama waye, until I see that man say, only at the force when your mother about food. Ama says ya, ama yitasi in ya was until the Evian says ya, one share says ya, a Juma Bibian and yes smooth and cost in my
to the levy and then the betting tax. Because it's harming the youth. Because you win an amount of money will be taken. It's not very logical. So he taking it away. The youth will be very happy about it. And it's going to help, at least when you win, you get your everything and you'll be okay.
You love your car for me. The bet you work for me. The Prez is good for me. As for me, there is good. If it's not good for other people, as for me, it's good for me. Say, Sadia, a bit my boy, you know. Someone you send him on the first video. It's my boy, you know. And there was say, imagine Chess. Say, I'm only told to Nubakura. Say, Skabia and Maggie Crano, Nascano, and Person and Megade, and what down. What did I make?
11. You are my penny chum with a boy. Say so. Sana Chroma, Ronchana, Niamano Fire to 2 million so my. And Yamani boy, I didn't.
Aha, let's talk ghtrends. And then first time I hope you video so say, over subscribe, I'm a follow your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and a TikTok. So as let's talk ghtrends video, I'm a for fabrish. Any comments be answer one over or comment section ho Eddie and Mammy. I was saying I name say His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado na buy mono. Betting tax buyer, levy buyer, and you send this guy now ya talk a crap what I say any betting you would trap bets. Na wudi na just say 10% yate e free me no na enra da 2025 budget finance minister atofo se ye be kan ye no nsem a ode betu dwa ne se sa betting tax any 11 no o ma spepe afri ho o ma ye free ho se de be ya Ghana for ni timamufuo ani bete na no na Ghana for ni bi bosepa cheze anya sam kitu we ye sebo ankasa just o mani agiye bi kire se we de yasem papa e de ma omo ankasa
no bibi kama cause bet say the senior o be ya di bet ni krapo nyame adum won enti u be di bet na e beti utas no de ni nyina ya slow favor bi na di bet we ti say na wa year free on yes we dan nasi so but no ni senior wa ye okada ni we ni nyina no ya un say more improvement will be going on. See upon I shall say unyama safe ye ni aji enti ye nam kwasu we call the better must come ye be more things send your ka say ejuma beba bebre nu yes we tumi ni e cause we nye say bia o kan ye a obetina so no ye hu shu ba 1 to 3 4 months no ye tumi say nyama sisa di ba enti ye ovim
President Mahama bia ne akayin Levy ejie o bia ne wo sika no wo sen no na ba chi e bia ne e ba chikura e ha no fe anu efe boko no fe no fe bre o mi she ba mami o papa no na ke efe no na ke efe e wo ba man bi kanye tenya agye nya sika mo ko to e twanyo ojo e Nyanya liake, bia na no fia no ebashi. Yi Levy ebashi. Ko ajo sika, achebo. Achebo no kono no fa no fe boko. Na ni mi she ba. O wonder papa Mahama shi, President Mahama shi. Aka yurado.
Betting tax na Mahama atwam ne dia ebeboa ye pa because oman mu na oman mu ayedin pa ba so oteso no ama bibia we say dia etimi nye ye bibia kama yeda Mahama ase
ya frame Fatima Moro me dagana fo ni nyina ase ya si level no ya papa wa ye afiwe ye ko ma ye ti na on bia bibia nso na o man ye yewa ya da na ase
Abusia na chese as a Ghana for na nsem how mo low key anam kana high key na nsem hihye nkofo boso na mo twen say right time ne beba na chese o ma beka na say Levy na chese yetie nyina na ebi su egu o mo yem na chese we yam hihye na chese o mo su ankasa any bet na say boys ni twa na say o mo twa na chese kakra na na yete za 10% na manfo chire ba woni mi etumi ya ohu na chese no mo esugu o mo yem ankasa na chese na hankofo ye sisi ade na chese Ghana for no eni ji ankasa ana omani age na abusuan yenka ye ho kakra wate ase enurada ebra ye finance minister atoforcing edu two judges all kasa say sa betting we nyina sa betting tax ni Levy ni sa ne mani nyina no mu scrape afi ho no yenhwe kakra.
We will abolish the 10% withholding tax on winning from lottery, otherwise known as the betting tax. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the electronic transfer levy, e-levy, of 1%. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 10% withholding tax on betting. We will abolish the electronic transfer levy, e-levy, of 1%. We will abolish the emission levy, otherwise as in Wusie tax. We will abolish the VAT on motor vehicle insurance policy. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 1.5% withholding tax on unprocessed gold by small-scale miners. Mr. Speaker, the removal of these taxes will ease the burden on households and improve their disposable income. Right, Honorable Speaker, the removal of these taxes will ease the burden on households and improve their disposable incomes. In addition, it will support business growth and improve tax compliance. Mr. Speaker, Right, Honorable Speaker, the tax refund account has been abused in recent years. In the last 8 years, a study revealed that 29.1 billion Ghana cedis had accrued to the tax refund account.
Abusia even parliament home pono he uhu ejeze na nkofo budget so that say o sebo ankasa ze Ghana de aha aye de ye aha na boss wo jeze be anye de nje Ghana aha ana aye de ye Ghana fo no mu bi eni agiye a chese omo twese we de eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama na ban edi omo bo hyeso ensem a omo kan so omo be ye say ye ba ye be yi eye betting tax fi o e-levy ye be ye fi o no chese omo de osie ayoyo a chese Ghana fo no bi ebo ma ba so omo chese said the omakasa omo be ye no omo hwe se enye se bia eye beginning nti na omo be ye frakadam bi dia be hu bi egu Ghana fo ani said the omasha ase no omo make sure se omo be kosoa no omo de akwa awieye ene Ghana fo ne se we omo watch omo very tight same mo nsem na mo keka no be di so pepepe until there Ghana fo si ade omani agi ye ankasa medi mani ensem nechi any update we fi hoba medi ebebro me koso aka so be follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk gh na share video we ama afofo aba be share me din edina ne ka santoa makram